Hello friends, welcome to Famous Tech. This is Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set ringtone on your phone Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. First of all, go to the settings on your phone. Click here for settings. Now click on sounds and vibration. Click on ringtone. Click on SIM 1 here. And these are all the system ringtones. Just select any one tone now. Also, you can use plus symbol to add any music file from your local folder. Click done. In a similar way, you can set a ringtone for SIM 2. Click on ringtone first and click on SIM 2. Here you can use plus symbol to add any music file if you have in your gallery. Otherwise, you can use system ringtones. Just select a tone and go back to activate. Click here to activate. Yes, it's activated. Next, notification sound. Click on SIM 1 and these are all the system tones. You cannot add any music file here. Just you can select from the system tones. Go back to activate. Next, SIM 2 notification sound. Select from the system tone only. Yes, it's selected and go back to activate. Next, volume. Here you can control the volume, ringtone volume, media volume, notification sound, and finally system sound. Just you can increase or decrease the sounds. Next, vibration pattern. Here you can select from the available options how the vibration pattern will be. So you can just select from the available options. Next, vibration intensity. Just you can increase or decrease. Touch interaction here. Next, system sounds and vibration control. Just you can turn off or turn on these. Touch interactions, screen lock, unlock, charging sound, dialing keypad, Samsung keyboard, touch interactions, Samsung keyboard. Just you can control these tones. So in this way you can easily set ringtone and control other tones on your phone Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. That's all friends. Bye.